This is how Jamaicans cook their tinned tuna, guys. The end result is mind-blowing. So first of all, chop your seasonings like so, and then we're gonna add them to our frying pan, hot oil. So yes, we have scallion, we have bell pepper, we have tomatoes, and we stir everything in like so. Mix everything together really beautiful and colorful. Then we're gonna add our tin tuna straight in, and on top of the tuna, guys, we are gonna add some black pepper straight in like so. And I just can't cook without garlic, so let's add some garlic granules to this straight away. Mix everything in like so, and in under 10 minutes, guys, you have your tuna ready to go with some steamed rice or dumpling, whatever you want to have this with. Look at this. This is delicious. Let's go.